guys, it's Gucci, and I'm back with a quick tutorial on how to make nail bottle shaped labels. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and go to my Google Chrome. I'm going to open up another window, and I am going to search for nail polish bottle PNG. I want it to be a PNG because I want the background to be transparent, okay? So I can pick any of these lovely nail polish bottles that are blank. That way it's easier for me to go ahead and do the logo on them. So I'm gonna pick this one just for fun. So I'm gonna go save as image, and I'm gonna make sure it goes to my pictures. It's easier for me to find. And I'm gonna put in nail polish bottle. I'm gonna save it. We're gonna close that. Go back in here to our Cricut. We're gonna go to upload image, browse, and it should pop up. There we go. And there is our nail polish bottle. Go to complex. I'm gonna make this smaller. Now what I like to do is I like to go to preview because it shows me if I'm gonna get clean lines. So with this picture, I know that I'm gonna get clean lines when I get ready to cut it out. There's gonna be nothing jagged or rough or anything like that. So I'm gonna go to continue. You can either save it as a print cut if you want it to be this color. If you save it as a cut image, then it would change the entire color of the bottle, okay? I'm gonna go to save. I'm gonna insert my image. Now, it's just a question of what I want to actually go on here. So I'm gonna go to text. And I'm gonna put Gucci's nail bar or whatever, okay? So I want to change the font on that because I want it to look all nice and pretty. I have a cursive font here that I downloaded. And I'm going to bring that, I think it's -1. We'll bring it to where I want it to be. A little bit more space out. So if I wanted to move this in, I could move it over by ungrouping, just so that it gives a little bit more space. And then I can move any letters closer that I like to be a little bit closer when I ungroup. I have to do this because I ungrouped it all. Yeah. But I couldn't stand for that end to be the way it was. Okay, I'm gonna highlight. Come over here, little bottom. I'm gonna highlight them now. I'm gonna go ahead and just weld it. And once I do that, I can't do anything to maneuver it anymore except for to contour it if I wanted to remove something. So I have the words that I want to put. I can stretch this out a little bit. Okay. And I want it to really pop a little bit more, so I'm gonna see how it looks in white. What I'm gonna do is go ahead and put that as a print so that the white will show up. Okay, it looks like that's just on the nail bottle itself. Then I just want to get like a cute little logo to go here at the bottom. So I'm going to go over here to images. I want to get something cute. Cricut has this really cute Black History section that they have. And I am going to use, we will go ahead and use our logo. She comes in many, many pieces. I want to flip her because I want her to face the other way. I'm going to size her up on my bottle. I want to make sure I get her centered, so I'm going to press center horizontally and center her in my work so it's lined up with the bottle. I'm going to go ahead and group it, and then I'm going to flatten it. You can just flatten it if you like, but when you go to unflatten it, it won't be grouped if you have to change anything. So I like to do it that way, and you'll see once I flatten it that all of the things here on the side will all become one. Now all I have to do is size what I want the label to be. So I'm going to do a couple of different sizes on the sheet. So I can do 2 by 2. And I don't really like the way that looks as a 2 by 2. So 2.5 by 2.5. Stretches out a little bit more there for me. Let's just make it a 3-inch label. Looks a little better. It's because the bottle's top is so long. I like that size. Okay, and so at this size, I probably can get about maybe 6 on a sheet. We'll see what happens. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So let's go to make it and see if that happens. And my guesstimation was correct. We got 6 labels onto the mat. We're going to go ahead and press continue. We're going to send it over to the printer, let it print out, and then we will go ahead and let the machine do its thing. All right, so the machine is doing its thing. Excuse my dirty mats, I'm saving those for a how to clean your mat video. Also, you can see my little Cricut hack here at the bottom. That bottom line printed out on another sheet in the printer. And so what I did is just cut it off and double side tape it to the paper so it could read my print and cut lines. That way I didn't have to waste a piece of sticker paper. All right, Oliver's done doing his job. Let's pull these bad boys off this dirty mat. And see what we came out with. We have nice clean cut lines going around the bottom. We'll go ahead and pop one off. And there you have your nail bottle shaped sticker. We can add it somewhere over here to my sticker wall collection. Quick, simple, easy, and a very cute gift if you have somebody that's opening up a nail business. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and save so you can get that little bell for other quick, easy crafts.